How you doing, YouTube? Got my Bowling tractor, lawnmower with a coal engine and a 15.5. Y'all already know what she is, but anyway, say like if your grass about, you might well say 5 inches, right? And every time you run your motor over there, don't matter how RPMs you put on it, you just can't get that grass cut. Because you know the rain keep you inside, right? And that's higher than, 5 inches tall. So you take a weed eater and you weed eat it. Now I didn't cut the post where I already had with the lawnmower. Cut the post where it got light grass there, but that's some thick grass right there. So it's just how that goes. So my thing is, I'm about to go ahead and show y'all how to weed eat it and then run over it. Just that patch right there. Then I'm gonna just go in and hurry up cut the yard, because tomorrow we should have a sharper thunderstorm. So just bear with me. So what I just did is pour that 2-cycle oil in the gas and mix together some good fruit powder. Bunless. Yeah, we about to bun hand and trigger of that weed eater. And if you ever have a problem with cutting your grass down low, always think about your weed eater. Get a weed eater. And I will show you with the weed eater how to lower it down and take my yard mower, and yeah, we got the filter on it too. Yeah, got the filter on it. But take the yard mower and cut it. So I'll be right back with you. Let's go. And let's see the results. You see? From that to that, that to that. Then I'm gonna just run my lawnmower over it. Cause it been keep coming out from all the way there, but I didn't got up in the light spots. But I'm about to do all that. Then I'll come back on and show you how the results is with the lawnmower. But if you got a tool, which is you and another partner or three with weed eaters and a yard mower, it ain't nothing that you can get it done. Don't let the rain stop you. So whenever the sun come out, go ahead and get it done. Do it yourself. So you already get it. Mr.diyatyuhservice. I'll be right back with you. Now look at her now. You see? I'm about to crank up my lawnmower. I got that little bit right there to do. I'm about to crank up my lawnmower. I'm about to touch this yet. Get my weed eater a break. I'm gonna go in and get that right there. And cool that off. While that's still like that, excuse me. I'm about to go ahead and cut that. Then I'll get right back with you.